In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to fix my Samsung phone not charging fast. If you're finding that your phone is charging slower than usual, don't worry. By following these simple steps, you can speed up the charging process and get your phone back to full power quickly. First, unlock your Samsung phone and open the Settings app. This is where you'll find the controls for various features, including the battery. Taking a moment to adjust these settings can make a significant difference in your phone's charging performance. Once you're in the settings menu, scroll down until you see the option labeled battery. Tap on it to open the battery settings. Here, you'll find all the information related to your phone's power usage and charging options. Understanding these settings is crucial because they directly influence how efficiently your phone charges. Next up, within the battery settings, look for the option that says Charging Settings or sometimes More Battery Settings. Tap on this to proceed. This section is specifically designed to help you optimize the charging speed of your device. It's important because it allows you to customize how your phone manages power during charging. Now let's turn on the fast charging option. Simply tap the toggle next to fast charging to enable it. By activating fast charging, you're ensuring that your phone uses a higher power input, which significantly reduces the time it takes to charge. This little adjustment can make your life a lot easier, especially when you're in a hurry. If your phone model supports it, you will also see an option for super fast charging. Go ahead and turn this on as well by tapping the toggle. This feature takes fast charging to the next level by allowing even more power to flow into your battery. It's a game changer when you need a quick power boost, and having it enabled means your phone is always ready when you are. After adjusting these settings, you might want to double check that both options are activated. This will give you peace of mind knowing your phone is set to charge as quickly as possible. With both fast and super fast charging on, you should notice a substantial improvement in the charging speed. At this point, with the settings properly configured, you can plug your phone into the charger. Ensure that you're using a compatible fast charger and a high-quality cable for the best results. It's worth noting that using the original charger and cable provided by Samsung is often the most reliable way to achieve optimal charging speeds. Finally, after you've set everything up, take a moment to observe the charging speed. You should see a difference in how quickly your phone reaches full battery. This simple tweak ensures that your phone is always ready to go, saving you time and keeping you connected. That's all for today's guide. Remember, these small adjustments can have a big impact on your device's performance. Thank you for tuning in, and I hope your phone is now charging faster and more efficiently.